any intentions of getting replacements on the board of on the zoning board?
We have not dealt with that yet, no.
When do you plan to do that?
I don't know, we haven't discussed it.
It seems to me that's, in my mind, it's a priority, but I don't have any idea what you guys are facing, but it seems to me like it'd be a priority.
Is there a reason why you haven't discussed it?
No, we just haven't.
When do you do your discussions? Like, do you meet
In the
other
mornings.
times or just at this meeting?
That
or
hasn't came up.
Can you put it on your list? Could we request that you put it on your discussion
Yeah, we'll
list?
discuss it.
And that will be here?
Probably, yes.
Okay.
For next week, will you discuss it?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
We'll think about it.